What's up familia, how are you guys doing today? आप मेरे को पता है कि काफ़ी टाइम हो गया है वीडियो पोस्ट नहीं किया मैंने, ऑलमोस्ट 2 मंथ्स हो गए और वीडियो पोस्ट नहीं किया था मैंने, ब्लॉग कोई पोस्ट नहीं किया था। मैं ज़्यादा इंस्टाग्राम पे एक्टिव हूँ रादर दैन द यूट्यूब ब्लॉग्स, तो आई मेक श्योर कि मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे एटलीस्ट रील्स डाल रहा हूँ, नॉट डेली, आई यूज्ड टू पोस्ट डेली बिफोर। आई मेक श्योर कि एटलीस्ट ट्वाइस or thrice in a week I post. So I post, I'm more active on my Instagram rather than the YouTube, but I'm just trying to post vlogs, make vlogs. अभी 2 महीने हो गए vlogs post नहीं किया मैंने ये कहा था कि every Sunday I'll drop vlogs, but you know what happens when you say वो चीज़ें होती ही नहीं है। Yeah, I would rather not say and I just be active more of the time. So yeah, तो आज का vlog थोड़ा अलग है। थ्रू आउट द ब्लॉग जितना भी मैंने मॉडिफिकेशंस किया हूँ बाइक पे, अ कंप्लीट रिव्यू अबाउट ईच एंड एवरी थिंग। मैंने क्या मॉडिफिकेशंस किया हूँ बाइक पे, मैंने कितना चलाया हूँ बाइक अब तक। इट्स बिन ऑलमोस्ट 7 months now that I have this bike. A complete review all about it, all the modifications, all my experience, how the bike has been with me, इसके क्या प्रोज है, इसके क्या कॉन्स है, सब मैं आज वीडियो में कवर करूँगा। तो मेक श्योर दैट यू स्टे ट्यून। आई हैव अ स्मॉल अपडेट रादर दैन दिस कैमराज व्लॉग, आई एम ट्राइंग टू यूज माई माइक, सो लेट्स सी हाउ द माइक वर्क्स।
ऑलराइट, सो मेरा होल पर्पस आज का ये है कि आई एम गोना शो एंड टॉक अबाउट द बाइक दैट आई हैव एंड जो मॉडिफिकेशंस किया हूँ मैंने। आई होप मेरी माइक से आवाज़ आ रही रहेगी, थोड़ी बहुत क्लियर रहेगी। एंड I have never tried this mic. This mic that I have is from Simplex. I'll just show you. So basically this is the mic that I have and ये इसमें 2 mic आते हैं। इसमें एक receiver है and 2 microphone है। So this is one of the microphone and the other microphone I have attached inside the helmet. So I tell you कि मैंने इसका भी setup कैसे किया है। तो बहुत छोटा सा है, it's not hassle of a job. You got a clip and you just put it inside. So इसका अगर if you want guys to know where I got this from, details क्या है मैं आपको बताऊंगा जरूर। Let's say you tried mic. I've never tried this mic. I've tried once, twice, but I'm not sure कि helmet में कैसा sound कर रहा है। Let's see. So quick, let me just talk about the bike. Where's the bike? I know she's super beautiful. She's super beautiful. So let me just give you a small walk around. The best part of the new Goan Classic that Royal Enfield has given, I believe it's the white wall tires for me, because these white wall tires are super great. They grab the attention of every another biker out there who actually knows that these white wall tires are not easy to purchase, and these are the ones that you always might have seen in the Harley Davidsons and other Berber style bikes and everything. So it's quite vintage. अच्छा लगता है मेरे को काफी। और बेस्ट पार्ट क्या है कि with these white wall tires they have given the spoke wheels and these tires are tubeless. So that's the best part. Spoke wheels with tubeless tires. ये अगर तुम हिमालय में ले जाओगे तो you have to pay 15 to 20 or probably 30,000 extra for these tires apart from the ones that you get in stock. बाइक मेरे को लिए हुए almost 6-7 months हो चुके हैं एंड मैंने अब तक आई विल शो यू मैंने कितनी बाइक चलाई है। ये वाली इट्स अराउंड 2941 kilometers. सो आई नो ये तो फिलहाल इतनी चली है। आई ड्राइव अ लिटिल लेस, ज़्यादा नहीं चलाता हूँ मैं। आई हैव नेवर वेंट फॉर अ लॉन्ग राइड, सो आई एम नॉट श्योर कि लॉन्ग राइड पे कैसा रिस्पॉन्स है इसका, बट इसको थोड़ा दूर लेके गया हूँ मैं, हार्डली आई कैन से 100-200 किलोमीटर्स। तो इट विल बी गुड रिस्पॉन्स, कंफर्टेबल है बाइक बहुत ज़्यादा, बिकॉज इसका जो पोस्चर है, द अपराइट पोस्चर, व्हेनेवर यू सिट यू हैव अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन। यू डोंट हैव टू बेंड योरसेल्फ और ज़्यादा बैक एक या रिस्ट में पेन तो नहीं होता है। That's the best part of the Goan Classic because it's a very comfortable posture, I would say. Talking about the performance, I would say बाइक में टॉर्क बहुत अच्छा है। I mean फर्स्ट सेकंड गियर पे तो गाड़ी का रिस्पॉन्स क्रेजी है। I would say for a 350 bike, 350cc bike with the same bullet engine, you have a good pickup and a good throttle response. So I'm pretty impressed with that. And long range के लिए you can take the bike up to 120, 130. You won't feel the vibration. That's the best part. Normal classics में तुमको vibration feel हुआ करता था. Whenever you should ride the bike तो काफी ज़्यादा वाइब्रेट होती है बाइक को, बट इसमें वाइब्रेशन नहीं है. इंजन बहुत स्मूथ है, बहुत. आई डोंट नो व्हाट दे हैव डन, इवन इफ दे हैव द सेम इंजन, बट दे हैव स्लाइटली मेड सम performance enhancement in the engine. I'm not sure about it, but I feel so. About the mileage, I have gone ahead and calculated. I mean off camera I have not did that thing, but मैंने इसका माइलेज निकाला हूँ. I have seen कि मेरी बाइक around 33 to 35 का एवरेज दे रही है. But live, if you guys want me to do a live check for you guys for the average, the bike's average, I'll definitely do that. Let me know in the comment section below if you want complete live average check. I'll do that for you guys. So talking about the bike posture, performance, there is the thing. With the average, मैंने exhaust change किया. So I'll just talk about and cover up the modifications what I've done. Not really. I'm telling you guys, I have not modified my bike. इतना stage 1 मैं ट्यूनिंग तो नहीं करा बाइक में, परफॉर्मेंस एनहांसमेंट कुछ भी नहीं किया मैंने. बेसिक कॉस्मेटिक्स किया मैंने. One of the major modifications I would say, not a major, but a slip-on that I have added. This slip-on is from Glade Explorer. This from Glade Explorer. And बहुत अच्छा exhaust है, बहुत अच्छा exhaust है. If you guys haven't checked the video that I've made for the installation of this fat boy, check out that video. उसमें you get to see all the details about this exhaust. So this is one of the modifications that I've done. Apart from that, there's no certain modifications. Yes, I have done some cosmetic modifications, just like I said. मैंने यहाँ माफिया दिखाया है, and I've removed the bike frame and I've added the Enfield Mafia logo out here. That's one of the things. And the bar and mirrors. Yes, the bar and mirrors, stock mirrors आते हैं जो यहाँ लगते हैं, and these are the chrome ones. But when you have a bobber, I mean, bar and mirrors are absolute and necessary thing that you should install. So it gives a very good look for a bobber, I believe. और हैंडल बार, मेरे लोगों ने काफ़ी दफ़ा पूछा है कि मैंने हैंडल बार कहाँ से लिया और ये हैंडल बार कहाँ से बनाया मैंने. ये हैंडल बार स्टॉक है. दिस इज अ स्टॉक हैंडल बार फ्रॉम रॉयल एनफील्ड इटसेल्फ, बट द क्रोम वन वॉज द वन जो रॉयल एनफील्ड देती है स्टॉक में. सो मैंने उसको रैप कराया and I have blacked it out. So if you can see, मैंने इसको रैप किया. It's a very clean wrap. It doesn't even looks like that I've done a wrap. So it looks like that I've done a black coating or something like that, or might have just painted. But no, it's a wrap because I didn't want to spoil the chrome look. In future अगर no chrome कराना है तो I can just peel it off so I can get this thing off. Maybe अगर future modifications में कुछ अलग देखने मिले तो, but I wish to do. So yes, the handlebars are stocked. इसमें 2 हैंडल बार आते हैं, एक थोड़ी हाइट में छोटी रहती है and that's a little smaller one, or this is the ape style one, so I prefer to have a go on with the ape style handlebar. That's the other thing. फिर मैंने speedometer को black out किया हूँ. This chrome is as it is, but I have just blacked it out. The speedometer दिखता है, it's quite visible if I just on the bike, so it's quite visible. But जब बंद हो जाता है तो it's like blackout, but still you can see it. But it gives a nice look. And the chrome cap. So the chrome cap I have gone ahead and wrapped it off again. ये थोड़ा अच्छे से नहीं हुआ because I had to remove this cap क्योंकि there was an issue speedometer को उसमें, तो I had to remove this cap, तो उसमें थोड़ा wrap peel off हुआ. But this is the wrap that I have done. मैंने chrome से उसको पूरा black कर दिया था, gloss black, because it gives a good look. Future modifications में I'll see what I have to do. I'm planning for one modification, one simple slight modification that I'm doing. Planning to do is the wheel cap covers. So let me know if you guys want to see the wheel cap covers in this badass bike, my wheel sport, and definitely I'll just go ahead and do that. मैंने देखा, I tried to find that, but I'm not getting the size of the wheel cover. Let's see अगर नहीं जाएगा तो फिर I will do that and I will install them as well. Modifications में कुछ नहीं है. That's the only thing that I have done. And pretty much that's all about the modification. That's all about the bike. And my personal review is I loved it. Honestly, if you go ahead and compare this bike to another Bobber segment bikes that company launched, which is the Java Bobber, the Perak, and शायद मार्केट में तो यही दो बाइक है फिलहाल Bobber. There's a roadster bike USDV. That's also good. I've never driven that bike. अभी launch हुई है. I'll see if that bike is good as well. But performance wise, I'm not sure. I would not give my 100 on the performance because it's a Bobber bike. I mean, what more can you expect from a Bobber bike with 350cc? I mean, it's more than the expectation, I would say, truly. But don't expect speed. This is not a bike for you to race or तुम भगाने के लिए बाइक या probably to go ahead and think that it's a sports bike. No, it's not a sports bike at all. And it's more of a cruising bike that you can just enjoy on a highway ride and get it done. I mean, you can enjoy the bike definitely, and trust me, you will love riding this bike. The road presence, crazy road presence, I would say, क्योंकि काफी अच्छा है इसका road presence. Like people actually don't believe that it's a Royal Enfield bike, honestly, but it's even a classic 350. So I mean, that's all about the bike that I would say. And my personal review, I have loved this bike. मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है bike, I swear. I'm in love with this bike. Honestly, this is my first bike, and I cannot go over this bike. ऐसा एक दिन नहीं रहेगा जहाँ I have not craved to ride my bike just because if I'm not able to ride my bike, I feel like, oh my god, I feel like नहीं यार बाइक चलाना है मेरे को निकलना है बाहर. It gives you the another feel when you sit, when you ride the bike. You can never get bored in short. Recently मेरी बाइक थोड़ी बम्प भी हुई थी, but there were no major bumps or anything like that. It's quite the build quality is crazy. Royal Enfield की build quality पे hands down, no comparison. It's all metal. It's all metal. It's all metal. It's not fiber. It's all metal. The mudguard is metal. मेरे को काफी लोगों ने पूछा था कि इसमें इशू है क्या? The back mudguard. Are you facing any issue? I am not facing any issue. It's very tough. It's very tough. वीडियोस में दिखता रहेगा कि ये हिल रहा है. That's due to the suspension and the shock ups. That's it. इसके वजह से ये the back tire goes up and down because of the shock ups and the bumps and everything. But that's not an issue. That's the suspension that is doing the job. It's very tough. This thing is very tough. Anytime, hands down. So, I am facing issues with the rest on the bike's exhaust. So Globe, I want you to see this thing because this thing is rusting now. The paint job is not good at all on this thing. So I might remove the exhaust, get it painted again, get it coated again after the rainy season. बारिश के बाद मैं जरूर इसको कराऊंगा. But अभी फिलहाल रहने देते. But rest apart, there are no rusting or anything such. Just maintain your bike. Rusting तो होगी. If you live in Mumbai, near the beaches, on the salt, like near the shores and everything, salt water के यहाँ तो bike होना ही है rest. But it's all upon your maintenance. You keep your bike clean. Don't wash it every day. अगर wash कर रहे हो तो make sure that you go ahead and dry the bike completely off. The spark plugs, the O2 sensors and everything. Make sure that you clean it and don't keep it wet. Keep it dry. Alright, so this was all about the bike, the modifications and everything you guys have been asking for. I have answered all of most of the asked questions. And मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि Q&A भी प्लान करूँ तुम लोग के लिए एक छोटा सा. I usually do Q&As on my Instagram. If anybody is planning to buy this bike, so they can definitely message me. They can definitely drop their questions and queries, and definitely I'll make sure that I'll answer all of them and reply all of them. So I guess vlog यहीं एंड करते हैं. मेरे को थोड़ी रील्स शूट करना है and I'll get going before the sun has already got down. I mean, you can enjoy the view definitely. See, look at the view, man. आज थोड़ी लोग हैं but ठीक है, it's a peaceful space. I mean, you can just enjoy. Though I hope you guys did like the vlog, and if you did, make sure that you subscribe my channel and keep supporting. I really love you guys. Alright, bye family. I hope you have a great day and peace out.
Там, где по кругу крутит каленый лютый бит андеграунд, рэп там крутит, и от голода воды